Hi, this is Nobuko. I'm at Tokyo Station now. Today, I'm trying to the green car on the Chuo Line and it's a bit different from what you might expect. Okay, let's go. The green car is like a first-class section on regular commuter trains. You pay extra for a more comfortable seat. There's a ticket machine right there. But with mobile Suica, you can't use it. So you either buy it online or on the train. But it's more expensive on board, so it's better to get it on your phone.
Your attention, please.
I bought the
The
green car
rapid
ticket
train
online.
bound for Taka will soon arrive on track number 1. For your safety, please stand.
The green car is a double-decker. I'll take the upstairs seat today. Let's see if the view feels different. There's a light above each seat. You tap your card and if it turns green, you can sit there. Mine turned green, so I'm good to sit here. You'll hear announcements in Japanese, followed by English.
千駄ヶ谷代々木へおいでのお客様と地下鉄丸の内線地下鉄南北線はお乗り換えです。The next station is 四谷 JC4. The doors on the right side will open. The stop after 四谷 will be 新宿. Please change your for the Chuo Line local service, the Marunouchi subway line, and the Namboku subway line.
There's a sunshade on the window, so you can pull it down if it gets too bright. There's also power outlet by your seat, though I didn't film it. The seats are arranged in a 2x2 layout. It felt quite spacious, and there's a table as well. You can also eat on the train, which is always nice. And a bottle of water.
中央特快高尾行きです。停車駅は神田、お茶の水、四谷、新宿、中野、三鷹、国分寺、立川と立川からの各駅です。This is a Chuo Line special rapid service train for Takao. Green cars are car number 4 and number 5. A green car ticket is required in the green car. The next station is Kanda, JC2. The doors on the right side will open.
You can even see other trains running alongside, which is kind of fun.
The next station is Ochanomizu, JC3. The doors on the right side will open. The stop after Ochanomizu will be Yotsuya. Please change your for the Chuo Line local service, the Marunouchi subway line, and the Chiyoda subway line. This is a Chuo Line special rapid service train for Takao. Green cars are car number 4 and number 5. A green car ticket is required in the green car. The next station is Yotsuya, JC4. Please set your mobile phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on the phone. The next station is Yotsuya.
It kind of looks like a river, but it's actually part of the old moat.
The next station is Yotsuya, JC4. The doors on the right side will open. The stop after Yotsuya will be Shinjuku. Please change your for the Chuo Line local service, the Marunouchi subway line, and the Namaku subway line.
Let's listen to this.
まもなく
Japanese comes first, then
新
English.
宿お出口は左側です。線はお乗り換えです。The next station is Shinjuku, JC5. The doors on the left side will open. The stop after Shinjuku will be Nakano. Please change your for the Chuo Line local service, the Yamanote Line, the Shonan Shinjuku Line, the Saikyo Line, the Orakyu Line, the Keio Line, the Marunouchi Subway Line, the Shinjuku Subway Line, and the Oedo Subway Line.
Yeah, that's a lot. This is Shinjuku, the busiest station in the world.
The next station is Nakano, JC6.
Nakano is famous for its otaku culture. Some say it's even more niche than Akihabara.
The next station is Mitaka, JC12.
It's starting to feel more residential now. The buildings are getting lower. This is Mitaka Station. Mitaka is one of the stations people use to visit the Ghibli Museum.
Kokubunji. お出口は左側です。 国分寺の次は立川に停まります。西国分寺、栗立へおいでのお客様と、西武国分寺線、西武多摩湖線はお乗り換えです。The next station is Kokubunji, JC16. The doors on the left side will open. The stop after Kokubunji will be Tachikawa. Please change your for the Chuo Line local service, the Seibu Kokubunji Line, and the Seibu Tamako Line.
I got off at Kokubunji and just picked up a drink from a vending machine. Nice way to end the ride. That was the green car on the Chuo Line. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Matane.